In this lesson, we're going to solve our little problem where when we move our cat forward, he slides forward, but when we move him to the left, he moves backwards. Also, you'll notice the cat is merely sliding and he's not stepping. So we're going to fix both of those. We're going to make him step rather than slide. And when you click on the left arrow, he's going to move, he's going to turn around and move towards the left. Okay, to start off with, we'll go to the Costumes tab. And then we'll right-click our mouse on Costume 1. And can you see this option here that says Duplicate? So we click on it, and it creates a duplicate of Costume 1, which it's automatically named Costume 3. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this button. Now this is the invert button, or flip left right. When I click on it, see what it's done? It's flipped my cat the other way. So now we've got two costumes of our cat facing the right and one of our cat facing the left. Let's add one more of the cat facing the left. Again, we right click on Costume 2, click on Duplicate, and then click on the flip button. So it's flipped this one around. So now our cat has 4 costumes and we are going to work with these 4 costumes. Returning to our Scripts tab, we're going to make some modifications to our script. So I'm going to drag this guy a little down to give me some space to work, and this guy a little up. So if key right arrow pressed, the first thing I'm going to do is go to Looks and switch to Costume just above Move 10 steps. Alright. So I'll switch to Costume 2. So in other words, the moment a user clicks the right arrow, it will automatically switch to Costume 2, which is this one. Then it will move 10 steps, and we go then to the Control tab, and we add a wait piece. Alright, we'll place this just below Move 10 steps. And we'll change the value to 0.2 seconds. Next, we go back to the Looks tab and we add another switch costume to below wait 0.2 seconds. This time we'll set it to Costume 1. So can you already picture what's going to happen? When the user clicks the right arrow, it's going to switch to Costume 2, which is that one. Immediately it'll move our cat forward, wait 0.2 seconds, and then switch to Costume 1 automatically. Let's finish our script. We then move 10 steps, and lastly we'll put a wait piece. Change it to 0.2 again, and I think we're good to go. Let's give it a test. Click on the green flag, and there we have it. He is taking actual steps now, but only when he's moving to the right. When he's moving to the left, he's moving backwards and he's sliding. Alright, I think I'm going to change the value from move 10 steps to move 15 steps. So I go back in there and I change the 10 to 15. Oops. Double click, move 15. Try it again. That's much better. Alright, so now I'm going to need to almost duplicate this entire section and then make some minor changes. For example, if key left arrow pressed, switch to costume 4 and then switch to costume 3. Now I'm going to show you a quick way instead of recreating all of this, instead of remaking it. I'm going to show you a simple way. So we take this set of pieces and move them back into the gallery and it disappears. Then I go to the top of the existing set and right click my mouse button and then I click on duplicate. I think you know what this is going to do. There we go. It's made an exact duplicate of the set above. If you look at it piece for piece, it's identical. But now we need to make some changes. So we'll say if key, instead of right arrow, we'll say left arrow and then switch to costumes. Let's look at our costumes again. In the upper set, we went to 2 and then 1. With the lower set, we're going to go to 4 and then 3. 4 and then 3. Back to the scripts. Switch to costume 4. All this will remain the same and then switch to costume 3. So the cat will cycle through the costumes 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. Depending on whether the user clicks the right arrow or the left arrow. Time to give it a test. Stop it and start it again. Okay, moving to the right, perfect, just as we expected. And moving to the left, oh dear, what's happened? It seems that we have a little bug in our code, because when I'm clicking on the left button, he's moving to the right. What could be the problem here? Let's go through our code again very carefully. So key left arrow pressed, then switch to costume 4, move 15 steps. There's the problem. It's supposed to say minus 15, not 15. So I click on it, double click and change it to minus 15. This is fine. This is fine. Move 15 steps again. We'll change this to minus 15 and this is fine. Alright, let's stop and start it up again. Fantastic. Now we've got our cat walking exactly the way we want him to walk.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you're interested in doing more awesome courses like this one, check out our website. Link is in the description below.